Hey guys, Sheri Richardson from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, SheriAnnRicherson.com, and biannualblog.bash.com. Welcome to our daily vlog. As you can probably tell, I am really hot and sweaty. I don't know how much of this is coming through on the camera, but I'm really hot and sweaty. We have heat warnings. We had one yesterday, today, and throughout the weekend. But of course, when you live on a homestead, the work goes on. So I've been out today picking up tree branches that Jeff had cut down, some pretty good sized ones. And part of them went to the neighbor because they burn wood for winter, and part of them, the brush stuff, went up into a burn pile. I'm not going to burn today because it's just way too hot. But I'm getting things set up. I had to take the lawnmower battery, which we just bought a couple months ago, to have it charged today. So it only had a 1% charge in it, and something has to be draining the battery. I'm thinking we're going to have to disconnect the hot wire from the battery when we get done using it, and then reconnect it when we get ready to use it again. So I'm not sure what's going on with the mower, but that was the situation with the battery. It took AutoZone over 2 hours to bring it to a full charge, and right now I have it in the back end of my car. The neighbor's going to come over in a few minutes, and we're going to see if we can get the battery installed and get the lawnmower started. So my bet is the problem has been the battery being low, because we had this before, and that was why I bought a new battery. We just thought the old battery was bad, and I don't really know the mechanics of a lawnmower, so I assume they have some kind of alternator system that should be charging the battery. But like I said, I don't know much about small engines like that, so I'm not sure if that's the issue or if it's just, like I said, something draining it when it's sitting there. So either way, I guess if it happens again, I'll have to send the John Deere back and tell them what it's doing and have them diagnose and see if they can fix the problem. I'm just absolutely pouring sweat. So I took 5 or 6 truckloads of wood out of here today, brush and such. And when I say truckloads, I have an F350 1-ton, so it was packed. I definitely could not have got any more wood in the truck each time. And I know that it's kind of bulky, so, you know, I have a full-size bed, a full 8-foot bed. But there was a lot that went out of here, and there's more that needs picked up and cleaned up. But I basically pulled a lot of it up on the acreage out of the way so that I could get up there and mow the majority of it. And then I'm thinking after I mow that I'm going to drag the brush up into the big garden and burn it. And that way it can, you know, not have to be brought clear to the front of the house. Other than that, I know there's a lot of garage sales going on in the area this weekend, and that's what I would rather be doing. But I don't know that I'm going to get to. There's so much yard work and stuff here that needs to be done that's probably what the weekend is going to consist of, is trying to get some of that done and trying to make some sense of the mess that's here. So anyway, that's it. I hope that you guys will subscribe. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. If you leave a thumbs down, leave a comment why. We can't improve if we don't know what you don't like. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching and have a fantastic weekend.